We turn to the Karen Reed trial where Judge Cannoni says jurors are fed up.
That's in response to the defense calling for a mistrial again. This is maybe the second or third time we've heard for this. NBC 10's Banash Kongwari outside the courthouse with all the details on the back and forth.
2 calls for a mistrial just 4 trial days apart. Yesterday, as the defense's star witness, Dr. Daniel Wolf, was on the stand, the prosecution asked him if he looked at John O'Keefe's clothes, specifically a hole that was found in the back of the sweatshirt. They were trying to make the link that that hole was caused by road rash, but it turns out that hole was actually caused by one of the prosecution's witnesses as they were examining John O'Keefe's clothes.
My brief review of the lab paperwork and looking at the hoodie, it appears that I made a mistake.
What could be more egregious? What could be more misleading?
Judge Beverly Cannoni ended up denying the request for mistrial again, and the court went on again with Dr. Elizabeth La Posada on the stand. She was the chief medical examiner in Rhode Island for 12 years, which means she has a lot of experience with a number of court cases and autopsies. La Posada reviewed John O'Keefe's autopsy and several other documents related to his death and ultimately determined that he sustained damage to the back and front of his head, indicating that he fell back on something that had a little ridge or a little irregularity to it. La Posada will be on the stand again today. And after she completes her testimony, the defense tells us that their final witness will be Dr. Andrew Rentschler from the company ARCA. Court should resume in just a few hours, and we'll, of course, keep you updated on what happens today. But for right now, we're live here in Dedham. Banash Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Reed's second murder trial. We will bring today's court proceedings live on our sister station, NECN, and you can always stream it on our YouTube page. Join us tonight at 7, too, for a recap of what happened in court. That's on Canton Confidential.